Today's lunch menu is porridge, beans, and bread. So I started by picking the beans, that is, separating the beans from the dirt and the stones in the beans. This took me a ridiculous amount of time to get it done because I did not anticipate the quantity of dirt and stones that was inside these beans. It took me so much time to get it done, but after I was done picking the beans, I washed it thoroughly. Like I washed it several times because there were so many whites. I think they store these beans with pesticides or something like that. So I had to wash it multiple times. So after washing it thoroughly, it's time to get started with the cooking. So I poured it in a clean pot, added some water. The level of water should be above the beans. So cover the pot and allow it to boil for at least 15 minutes. While it was on fire, I started with chopping up my ingredients which I'm going to use to cook the beans. So I chopped up some onions, I pounded some fresh peppers, which are the two main ingredients I'll be using to make the beans. So after I was done, it's time to get back to the beans. So at this time, the beans had boiled for like 15 minutes. So I turned off the heat, sieve out the water from the beans, rinse it properly with clean water, pour it back into the pot, and then add all your ingredients. So I added some salt, some seasoning cubes, some peppers, some palm oil, some onions which I had chopped up earlier, and some water. Now after adding all your ingredients, cover the pot and allow it to cook. Once the water dries up, our beans is done and ready to be served. Here's how I served mine. Let me even ask, have you ever tried this combo before? Because I know some people be like, hey, beans and bread, beans and bread. Yes, have you tried this before? Let me know in the comment section. Subscribe for more easy recipes. Thanks for watching. Bye.